Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today we're going to do a review on two items, right? What are they? Well, come on over here. Let's take a look here. Well, we got this new GMC Sierra AT4. And what do we have on here? Well, we have the PowerTrax. That's right, the electric version of the retrax Pro, which means it's the metal one. It's all metal, holds 500 pounds, and it's called the XR. What is that referring to? It's the XR rails. The XR rails come with a T-slot. And basically what that does, it opens up a world of fun and convenience. Like for example, you can put racks or low racks, you can put high racks, you can put those big tents on here, you can put all kinds of things with the T-slots. They work with Yakima, Thule, Rhino racks, all the products that work with T-slots will work with this. So of course, that's on one of the items here. What other item am I talking about? Well, if you read the title of this, you probably know, but I'm gonna go ahead and push the button. As you can see, open, close. So let's go ahead and hit the button. Now you do have to hold the button when you do this. And you can see it opens up really nice. And now you can see the other thing I was referring to. What do we got here? Well, we have the Bedslide 1500 MX, and that's basically their max slide. And what does that mean? Well, when they pull out, they're going to come out 70-30. That means 70% of it will be out, 30% will be inside. The max slide is almost 100%, not quite there. So let's go and take a look at that. So I'm going to go ahead, and if you look over here, I'm pulling this little lever here that releases it. Now most of them will stop right about there, right? But this has the additional sliding. Now look how far that comes out. Why is that great? Well, it's great because if you have something in the front of your bed slide here, look how super easy it is to get to it. I mean, and a lot of people don't realize it. This stops many different spots along the track here, so you don't have to have a max slide. I mean, you can have it stopped here. It's all these different spots. So now the 1500, what does that mean? That means it holds 1,500 pounds. That's a lot. That's like 2 Harleys, man. That's got a lot of weight, very strong. All in all, a great setup. I do like the look. Now on here, let's pull this out again. So you have a little T-slot in here, so if you need let's say you do put a motorcycle on here or something else, you want to put a net or something, you can strap it in here. You can put little tie downs here. It does come with a little rail on here, which we didn't put on, but it does come with it. And by the way, it does clear the canister. I know we tested it out, so we know. So this, you can put all kinds of stuff on here and secure it down. Like for example, I'm a kayak guy. I like to go kayaking. I could put my kayak on here and take a strap here, crank it down. Of course, my kayak's 13 feet, so it'll be right about here. So I would just go ahead and pull the whole thing out. And now my kayak is on here, in here, 13 feet, no problem. So a great setup if you like to go camping. Man, this thing can be great. You got your coolers in here, you got your camping stuff. Makes life so much easier to get to. And again, it's so easy, anyone can use this. This is not hard. As you can see how easy it goes in there. Great setup. And another terrific thing about this, it's American made. That's right. It's made here in the United States. There is a lot of imported versions of this. They're not as good. They're a little less money, but the quality is not as good as this. And this has a 5-year warranty from the manufacturer. And they do have other promotions where you can extend that, which you can have to read the fine print on that. But 5 years, made in America, super strong. Don't be buying the Chinese knockoffs. I mean, some of the Chinese stuff is okay. But this is a high quality, super duper product. I love this. And again, it fits in there. Now, when we order these, they are vehicle specific. Like for example, when I order this one, if you notice, it comes right up to the edge here. So I didn't guess on this. Basically, I go on their website and it'll tell me which one fits what bed. And when you go to order this, again, we can ship it anywhere in the country. It's best to call us. We'll go on there and we'll make sure we get you the right one. And of course, it's probably better if we install it for you, because if we install anything like all the stuff we've done today, it's going to give you 1-year labor guarantee. It covers any adjustments. It even covers if let's say that if you did have a defect in your bed slide, which is very rare, and they said, we'll send you the part. Well, we'll put it in free of charge within that first year. And that includes on the power cover, and it includes adjustments. So again, 5 years on this, and by the way, you get 3 years on the PowerTrax Pro XR. So your motor is covered, your LED lights covered. I'll go ahead and I'll turn the light on for you so you can see that there. So, and I tell you this, both these products, super easy to use. I mean, all you need is your thumb for this, and of course 2 fingers on this. So it means anyone in your family can operate this. You know, if your son comes out there and he's a young guy, and you know, you can open it. Anyone can open this. It's super easy. All in all, a great product. I like this. I think it looks good, but most important, it makes your life easier. It's so easy to use. And with the 3-year and the 5-year warranty, and then of course the 1-year labor guarantee, you are covered. And it's all American made. I mean, the Americans, which is us, we make good products. We make great products, not good products. We make terrific products. Our quality is really beyond approach. I mean, I love our stuff. I think it's the best way. I sell products from all over around the world, and I got to admit, the American-made stuff is better. Now, a lot of times people are like, they get confused. They'll look at a product, and it's like, oh, it's made in California. I go, no, it's not made in California. The warehouse is in California. It's being shipped in from China to California. So keep that in mind. You want to get American made, it is better. It helps our country, it helps everybody with jobs, and the most important thing, it's better quality. So definitely go that way. Again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. We appreciate that, and subscribe to the channel. We really like when you subscribe to the channel. I got over 1 million views now, and I notice there's only like 2.5% of people who are viewing our videos are subscribers. So subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the like, doesn't cost you anything. And if you want to order this stuff, you give us a call. You can ask for Dave, who's behind the camera. You can ask for his father, John, or ask my father, Herman, that we all work together, by the way. You can ask for Buddy or myself, Chris. We'll be glad to help you with anything. So you can call us, you can go to the website, you can come to our store. Either way, we'll be glad to help you out. Again, this is Chris from C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on 2 items, the PowerTrax Pro XR with the Bedslide 1500 MX. Thank you.